Welcome children, take out your geography book. Chapter 4, Urbanization. The meaning of urbanization. Urbanization refers to the process of increase in urban population and urban areas, that is towns or cities in a country. Now urbanization, what does it refers to? It is a process in which there is an increase in urban population and urban areas, that is urban areas include towns and cities in a country. Urbanization creates social, economic, cultural and environmental changes. Now what urbanization brings? It brings some social, economic, cultural and environmental changes. Changes in settlement patterns are inevitable with the growth in economy and size of population. Now changes in settlement patterns, they are very much important with the growth of the economy and even the size of the population. The rate of urbanization today is more rapid in the developing countries of the eastern part. Now rate of urbanization today, it is too rapid, it is too fast in the developing countries of the eastern part of the world. As per a report by the Department of Economic and Social Affairs of the United Nations Secretariat, it is predicted that by 2050, about 66% of the world population will be living in urban area. Now rate of urbanization today is rapid, it is increasing in the developing countries of eastern part of Europe, and as a report, according to a report which is given by the Department of Economic and Social Welfare of the United Nations Secretariat, it is predicted that by 2050 near about 66% of world's population will be living, they will live in the urban areas. India, China and Nigeria will altogether account for 37% of the total growth of world's urban population between the year 2014 and 2015. Now, India, China and Nigeria together they will account for 37% of the total growth of world's urban population, that is between year 2014 to and 2050. Now, causes of urbanization. What are the causes of urbanization? Now, first is the various causes behind the growth of urbanization. First is industrialization. Industrialization was a major cause of urban growth. Now, first major cause is that is industrialization. It is the major cause for the urban growth. With the rise of industries and subsequently industrial employment, people migrate from the rural and start living closer to the workplace to reduce the cost of commuting. Now, with the rise of industries means how much industries develop. With the rise of industries, what happened? In industrial employment increases, people they migrate from the rural areas and start living closer to their workplace because they want to reduce the cost of commuting. This results in the growth of better roads, other means of transport and for this it is resulted in the growth of better roads, other means of transport and communication, infrastructure, health and even educational facilities. Social factors such as improved living condition, better educational and health facilities and rise in social status induce people to move to cities. Now, social status, that is improved living condition, better educational system, health facilities and even rise in social status, they force the people to move towards the cities. Agricultural occupation provides lower income. Now, agricultural occupation, what they provide? They provide lower income. When everyday sustenance becomes a problem, gradually people leave the rural areas and move out to the cities in search of better jobs and higher income to sustain their families. Now, when everyday sustenance it becomes a problem, gradually what happened? People they leave their rural areas and then they move to the cities in search of better jobs and even the higher income to sustain their families. In India, the introduction of mechanized farming during the Green Revolution led to the increased unemployment in rural area. Now, India, what happened? The introduction of mechanized farming which was done during the Green Revolution, it has led to increased unemployment in the rural area. The people who lost their means of livelihood migrated to urban areas. Now, people who had lost their livelihood due to the means of livelihood, they have migrated to urban areas in search of jobs. The cycle of urbanization and modernization now allows people to access a sophisticated lifestyle which includes urban housing and comfortable facilities, better transport and improved means of communication. Now, cycle of urbanization along with modernization. This makes people to live a sophisticated style. It includes urban housing with all comfortable facilities, better transport system, better means of communication. These benefits further led people living in relatively lesser developed areas to centers of urban living. Now, this benefits they led the people who lives in lesser developed areas to centers in the urban living. For example, Mumbai and Delhi continue to attract people from rural areas with compromises for better standard. Now, for example, Mumbai and Delhi these two cities continuously attract people from the rural area and promises for better standard of living. The spread of education and globalization has made people aware of the world around them. Now, spread of education and even the globalization, what has made? It has made people aware around the world around them. The development of technology such as internet has given people to assess what is happening across the world. Now, as the technological development, due to the development of technology, that is such as the internet, they have given people how to assess what is happening across the world. Today, a cell phone is essential for everyone. Now, today's world, cell phone, it is very essential for everyone. From a farmer to transporter, cell phone is very essential. Thus, villages constitute close to cities undergo transformation and become urbanized. For example, Pune, Bhopal and Hyderabad. Now, so villages which are situated very close to cities, they undergo transformation and they become urbanized. For example, that is Pune, Bhopal and Hyderabad. Impact of urbanization. Urbanization has brought social, economic and cultural and environmental change. Now, urbanization, it leads to social, economic, cultural and environmental changes. These changes can be positive and even negative. These changes are of two types. One is positive while the other is negative. Now, positive impacts of urbanization. What are the positive impacts of urbanization? First is increased in housing facility, improved housing facility. First is there is an increased in housing, improved housing facility. Then growth in educational and health facility. Then growth in educational and health facilities come. Growth in service sectors which fetch higher income. Now, in service sector also there is growth which fetch higher income. Increase in variety of job prospects. Even it increases the different types of job prospects. Availability of labor force. Even there is the availability of labor force. Increase in standard of living. Where there is an increase in standard of living. Improved transport and communication. There is an improved transport and even the communication system. Even there is an improved in transport and communication facility. Now, negative impact of urbanization. What are the negative impact of urbanization? Indiscriminate growth of cities and overpopulation has led to certain problems. Now, there is too much growth of cities and overpopulation. This has led to different problems also. Large concentration of people results in growth of number of squatters in urban area. Now, large growth of population, what it has led to? It has led to squatters in the urban area, leading to growth in slum area. And this happen as there is squatters in some urban areas, so it even led to growth of slum area. Dharavi in Mumbai is the largest slum in Asia. Now, see, largest slum in Asia is Dharavi, which is in Mumbai. Numerous families reside in cramped homes in slums. Here in Dharavi, many families, they lived in cramped homes in slums. Their homes lack proper sanitation, ventilation and drinking water facility. These types of homes in Dharavi lack proper sanitation, ventilation and drinking water facility. There is a rise in the value of land. Even there is a rise in the value of the land. With overpopulation and dearth of land for housing, the cost of living rises. Now, as there is due to the overpopulation and there is a dearth of land for housing, the cost of living is also too high. This can be seen across Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Shanghai and so on. Now, it can be seen throughout Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Shanghai and so on. With increase in population, the crime rate also increases. Cases of theft, cheating and other such incidents. Now, with increase in population, what will happen? Crime rate also increases, and the case of theft, cheating and other such incidents also rises. If the situation is unchecked and mismanaged, there is deterioration in civil law. Now, if this situation remains unchecked, what happens? There is mismanagement and even there is deterioration in the civil law. Overcrowded cities suffers from traffic congestion. Now, overcrowded cities, what they suffer from? They suffer from any traffic congestion, and here water and land pollutions are also seen. The urban waste found in waste to the water bodies which can no longer be used as safe source of drinking. Now, urban waste, these are where they are found. They are found in the waste to the water bodies and they can no longer be used as a safe source of drinking water. Urban lifestyle is stressful. Urban lifestyle, how it is? It is very stressful lifestyle. Everyone in the city wishes to avail the opportunity offered by city life. Now, everyone who lives in the city, they want to avail the opportunities which are they want to live in the opportunity which are offered by the city life. This leads to an extremely busy work life, and for this reason, it leads to a very busy work life, which leaves no time for leisure or recreational activities and taking care of oneself. Now, it gives no time for leisure or recreational activities or taking care of oneself. Thus, people living under strain, which in turn affects our health and leads to rise of numerous lifestyle diseases such as diabetes, migraines and so on. Now, this forces the people to live in strain and affects our health and affects the human health and even leads to a rise in number of lifestyle diseases, that is diabetes, migraines and many other diseases. Now, take out your diary, write in your diary, chapter 4, urbanization, 3 pages, explain and homework, revise it. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.